Welcome to this video dedicated to a must-know topic for all gardeners and vegetable lovers. When to plant garlic for a bountiful and flavorful harvest. This is a question I get often on my French channel, and today I'm here to answer it with this comprehensive guide. Garlic is more than just a culinary ingredient. It's a resilient plant with numerous benefits, transforming both our soil and our plates. But did you know that the secret to a successful harvest starts well before planting? That's right. Choosing the right time to plant garlic is essential. Whether you're in a mild or harsh climate, follow this guide to the end to discover the perfect time to get your garlic bulbs rooted, boost their growth, and yield plump, flavorful heads of garlic. In this video, you'll find all the important temperature guidelines to help you decide when to plant, whether it's white, purple, or pink garlic. Now, before we dive in, if you enjoy guides like this and want to support my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on future uploads. Also, let me know in the comments if you're interested in more guides on planting temperatures and which crop you'd like me to cover next. Alright, let's get started. Grab your gardening gloves, and let's dive into the world of growing garlic together. Garlic can be planted at different times of the year, late winter, spring, and even fall, depending on the variety you choose, the climate in your area, and the growing method, whether with or without protection. If you have the option to plant your garlic in the fall, that's actually the ideal time, as it allows your garlic to develop a stronger root system. This, in turn, will lead to a more abundant harvest. White garlic. White garlic is the most cold-resistant variety.
Germination temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, 32 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. White garlic can start germinating at low temperatures. Cold resistance temperature down to minus 10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Fairly cold resistant, especially for fall varieties. Ideal growth temperature 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, 59 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal conditions for good bulb formation. Maximum growth limit temperature above 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. White garlic stops growing, entering dormancy to avoid heat stress. Minimum growth limit temperature below 5 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Growth is significantly slowed and nearly stops, although the plant can survive without growing. Purple garlic. Germination temperature 4 to 8 degrees Celsius, 39 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Germination possible in cool but not freezing conditions. Cold resistance temperature around minus 6 degrees Celsius, 21 degrees Fahrenheit. Less cold resistant than white garlic. May need protection from heavy frost. Ideal growth temperature 18 to 22 degrees Celsius, 64 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Purple garlic prefers moderate warmth for well-formed bulbs. Maximum growth limit temperature starting at 28 degrees Celsius, /82 degrees Fahrenheit. Purple garlic stops growing and may enter dormancy if the heat persists. Minimum growth limit temperature below 7 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Growth of purple garlic slows until it stops. Pink garlic. Germination temperature 4 to 8 degrees Celsius, 39 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Begins to germinate in slightly cool conditions. Cold resistance temperature around minus 6 degrees Celsius, 21 degrees Fahrenheit. Pink garlic is less resistant to intense cold than white garlic and needs protection in colder regions. Ideal growth temperature 18 to 22 degrees Celsius, 64 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Grows well in moderate warmth, ideal for a good harvest. Maximum growth limit temperature above 28 degrees Celsius, 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Pink garlic stops growing to avoid dehydration and heat stress. Minimum growth limit temperature below 7 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Growth of pink garlic is slowed and almost entirely stops. General notes. Garlic growth is optimal under moderate conditions. Below the minimum growth temperature, between 5 and 7 degrees Celsius, 41 and 45 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the variety, garlic survives but grows very slowly, while above the maximum temperature it stops growing to avoid heat stress. Greenhouse cultivation for garlic, especially for more sensitive varieties like purple and pink garlic, is recommended when the average daytime temperature falls below around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, especially in areas with frequent and prolonged frost. Here are some specific guidelines to help decide when to grow garlic in a greenhouse. Average daytime temperature of 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. If daytime temperatures often stay below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, early in the season, a greenhouse can help maintain a slightly warmer and more stable temperature, promoting germination and initial growth. Nighttime temperatures close to or below 23 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 5 degrees Celsius. Although some varieties, such as white garlic, can tolerate very cold temperatures, a greenhouse is beneficial if frosts are frequent, as it helps prevent soil from freezing and protects young plants. Active growth in winter, below 45 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 8 degrees Celsius. Garlic growth slows considerably. In regions with mild winters, 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, garlic can grow in open fields. But if it falls below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius, using a greenhouse is recommended to avoid excessive growth slowdowns. In summary, greenhouse cultivation is particularly recommended when daytime temperatures fall below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, or if frequent prolonged frosts are expected. Here it is. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. I hope you enjoyed it and now know when you can plant garlic at home. If you liked it and want more videos like this, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to keep me motivated. See you soon in the next video.